Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Samsung S23 Ultra. Samsung have become most leaked phone in 2023. Many people are claiming that they have bought the Samsung S23 Ultra from the outer market. Many of them are sharing the unboxing video of S23 Ultra on TikTok and other social media apps. Some of them are also showing the camera test between S22 and S23 Ultra. If you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's come back to our topic, Samsung S23 Ultra. In Samsung S23 Ultra, we are going to see Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. All model of Samsung S23 will come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. In this year, we will not see Exynos chip in Samsung S23 model. It's good news. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you still do not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. We will see large improvements in Samsung S23 cameras. The Samsung S23 Ultra camera will be able to record 8K 60fps recording and 1080p 960fps slow-mo. We will also see large improvements in night mode photography and also in videography. Samsung S23 Ultra would be capable to better zoom than Samsung S22 Ultra. I hope you really enjoy the video. Please leave your relevant comment and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.